So we are going to be going over your problem set for Module 4, Lesson 6, and you will find this in your workbook on pages 167 and 168. So if we look at our workbooks, what you are asked to do is to draw the number of rows and columns in each array and match it to its completed array. Then fill in the blanks to make a true equation to find each array's area. So I'm going to go on and say each of the blocks represent 1 square centimeter. So we know that our units are going to be centimeters. So if we look at A, and they have gone on and drawn in the rest of the missing square centimeters, and they have found that one side is 5 centimeters long, and the other side is 6 centimeters long. And they have found that this square matches this one. So you should have a line drawn down here, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. And you're going to fill that in, 5 centimeters times 6 centimeters. So if we count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, our area will be 30 square centimeters. We go to problem B. We've gone on and filled in the rest of that missing tiled rectangle and found that one side is 3 centimeters and the other is 7. And that does match the bottom one on the other side. So we have filled in our lengths, and then we have 3 centimeters times 7 centimeters equals 21 square centimeters. And if you count by 3 7 times, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Now we're on C. Again, filled in the rest of that rectangle, and we found that one side has 5 centimeters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the other is 3 centimeters, 1, 2, 3. And if you look on this side, we're going to find that the top one matches. So they've drawn their line here. So again, labeled 5 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So 5 centimeters times 3 centimeters is, and we can count by fives, 5, 10, 15. So the answer is 15 square centimeters. Remember, these only have centimeters because they're just the side lengths. The area is square centimeters because it's the entire area of this rectangle, not just one of the sides. So that would be squared centimeters. Remember that when we're doing area, it's going to be squared and then the unit. And then if we go to D, again, draw in the missing parts, and we'll find that one side has 4 centimeters, the other has 5. Draw the line to the matching tiled rectangle, again, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So you've got 4 centimeters times 5 centimeters equals, so if we count by fives 4 times, 5, 10, 15, 20, we'll find that that is 20 squared centimeters. On part E, we found that 1, 2, so one side is 2 centimeters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other side is 6 centimeters. Draw along a line to the matching rectangle. Again, 2 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So 2 centimeters times 6 centimeters, so 2 times 6 would be 12 square centimeters. And our last one on this page is 4 centimeters by 3 centimeters. It matches this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 is where we get our 4 centimeters. 1, 2, 3 is where we get our 3 centimeters. So 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters is 12 square centimeters. And then if we go to our second page of our problem set, number 2 says, Sheena skipped counts by 6s to find the total square units in this rectangle below. She says there are 42 square units. Is she right? Explain your answer. So if we look at it and we fill in the rest of our missing pieces, One thing I noticed that Sheena did not do is she did not label her sides, and I would recommend that you always should label your sides. So Sheena says that Sheena is incorrect. There are 8 sixes, which is 48 square units. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this side would be 6. So we know that we're going to multiply a 6 in there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So an 8. So it's 6 multiplied by 8 is 48 square units. So Sheena said it was only 42 square units. So Sheena is incorrect. So she skip counted, but she missed one. She did 6 times 7, whereas this problem you need 6 times 8, which would be 48 square units. So Sheena is incorrect. We look at number 3. The tile floor in Brandon's living room has a rug on it shown below. How many square tiles are on the floor, including the tiles under the rug? So, in Brandon's room, the person that solved this did put the links on each side, which I recommend doing so you know what you're going to multiply. So one side of the rectangle is 9. The other side is 10. So the answer would be 90 square tiles. So there are 90 square tiles on the floor. And it did ask how many square tiles. So there are 90. And then if we look at number 4, Abdul is creating a stained glass window with square-inch glass tiles as shown below. How many more square-inch glass tiles does Abdul need to finish his glass window? Explain your answer. So we're trying to find how many tiles he would need. So 7 times 6, because one length is 7, the other is 6, so 7 times 6 is 42. So Abdul needs a total of 42 square-inch glass tiles. That is the total for the whole area. But if you notice, he already has some tiles there. So he had already put down 12 tiles. So we're trying to find G here. So G and 12 equals 42. So 42 minus 12 equals G. And G is the area that we're trying to find, how many tiles this white space is. So G would equal 30, because 42 minus 12 is 30. So Abdul needs 30 more square-inch glass tiles to complete his flooring. So if you have any questions on these, please make sure to let your math teachers know, and we're here to help you. And don't forget to do your exit ticket and turn it in to your classroom.